I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
So, got it. Mostly, so missing like a screw weld here, but all up here, got it out. This one needs a little bit. It's gonna be kind of hard on the edges here, but on both sides.
Yeah, it looks like you just need to cut through a little bit more on these top edges that are hard to get to because they're close to that rail. Probably another 10 minutes and you got it.
Yep. Okay. Cool. Thanks. All right, so I got probably 90% of the spot welds drilled out. I need a little bit more on the back side towards the rear of the vehicle. Need to find the ones that are over here. It's gonna be a little tricky back in this area. You can see I got them up to here. You can see that they're all out now, all the way up and all the way around to the back end, with the exception of this corner here, or this section, little spot here. But I think what it is there's an additional weld right there. You can see, like right here, and it's tacked down right there. So you could see, up along this joint here towards the back. It seems potentially welded just in that one spot. So, and maybe right here too. Kind of hard to see, but I honestly don't know how you would do this with I don't know how you do this with the wheel well still inside. It'd be pretty difficult. On the 260Z, we'll see if it's possible to drill this out without cutting the well out first. All right, so drilling these spot welds out from the spare wheel well is pretty time consuming and tedious and a little bit annoying, but making some good progress. All my flashlights died, so I'm gonna charge them to our nifty charging station. We'll replace them. I just need basically all the spot welds in the back of the vehicle that are against the rear. So hopefully we could get those out. All right, so there's pretty much no way for me to fit my drill where I need to for those last spot welds. So you can see here we got the back side of the vehicle. Basically just this last little lip here is all that I'm missing. So what I'm gonna do is drill them out from the top. So right there, right there, right there, and right there. So those last four are all I need to hit to get this out. All right, finally got it out. So I ended up drilling these top ones out from the top. Because it's a little hard to even find them on the back. I ended up using this little drill here, close quarter drill, just for these last couple. But almost just about out. There we go. Look at that. Satisfying. Jarrett, catch!
Live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed, photo rocks on the side, live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, no cap, only got one, so you better go, live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed, photo rocks on the side, live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, no cap, only got one, so you better go, live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take